Hello, grade 7s. This is my Cornell notes for how to annotate and solve word problems. Where annotate means like you mark up the question, so then you can look at the key things. I know it's blurry, bear with me. I just wanted to show you really quick that cubes is how we are going to annotate. So today we're looking at a decimal problem. We'll read the problem and then we'll go through cubes. So at birth, Winsome, who is a dog, had a mass of 0.475 kilograms. At 6 weeks, her mass was 4.06 kilograms. By how much did Winsome's mass change from birth to 6 weeks? First step, circle key numbers. Okay, well, we're looking for the mass, right? How much it changed. So we're going to look at the different masses. Here's the circle. Circle these numbers. I'm not too sure if this number is important. Might as well circle it anyways, though. Next step, underline the question. By how much did Winsome's mass change from birth to 6 weeks? So how much did Winsome's mass change from birth to 6 weeks? Box the math action words is the next step. Her mass was by how much? How much did Winsome's mass change? Change would be our key one. Change is right here. I don't want to highlight this right now, but it's right there. All right. So this is going to mean, where should I put that? Subtraction. The next step is to evaluate. So there's a bunch of different options here of how we want to evaluate. I think for this question, since I know that there's a starting point, birth, and at 6 weeks is the end, finish line or whatever, is 4.06, and I'm trying to find the difference. I think for this, I am going to do a number line. So I've started it, but birth, 0.475 kilograms. And then the mass after 6 weeks is 4.06 kilograms. This part here, that distance, that's what I'm trying to find out. All right. So I kind of looked at it. I was like, okay, so I started here. I need to get to here. How much do I need to move in order to get there? I've drawn my number line. Now I'm going to write a number sentence. So change, number line, everything's pointing towards subtraction. So I'm going to start with my 4.06 kilograms, because that's the bigger number, and I'm going to subtract my 0.475 kilograms. That's my number sentence. That's what I'm going to solve. So I'm just going to stack it up so that I can solve a little bit better, making sure that I line up my decimals. After I've lined it up, bigger number on top, I find that I need to put a place value here just so that everything is good. And now I will solve. 0 minus 5, can't do it, so I borrow. Now it is 10 minus 5. 5 minus 7, can't do it. Can't borrow from the 0, borrow from the 3. Sorry, borrow from the 4. Make that a 3. Now it's 10. Now I can borrow. This is a 9, and this is a 15. 15 minus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8. 9 minus 4. That's 5. Line up my decimals. Decimal goes there next. 3 minus 0. So right there, we just solved that. We are now at the S part of cubes. The final part is to check. So we're going to check with the inverse operation. Inverse meaning opposite. You just subtracted. The opposite of subtract is add. Hence the reason I put them side by side. So if I'm doing the opposite operation here, I'm going to take my answer. I'm going to add it to one of these numbers. I picked the smaller number. If I got this right, I should get 4.06. So let's just check that. 5 plus 5, that's 10. carry the 1. 8 plus 8, sorry, 1 plus 8 plus 7, that's 16. 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 plus 4, that's 10. The 0, carry the 1. Line up the decimals. 1 plus 3, that's 4. Let's just double check. 4.06 kilograms. Bam, bam, bam. That means we have solved this correctly. And the answer is the change. To answer the question, Winsome's mass changed by 3.85 kilograms. Cool, right? So that's how you annotate and solve these types of questions. If you have any questions, grade 7s, keep the emails coming. Keep asking questions. Keep practicing. Peace out.